In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Soundpad to Discord. So the first thing you want to do is go to Soundpad. So you basically want to go to Google, type in Soundpad, and then go over here where it says Soundpad play sounds in voice chats. So click on this, and from here on the website, you have to click download. And then you can click download for Windows 64-bit or 32-bit, so it depends on which one you're using. I'm using 64-bit. You can click download, and this will basically download it to your computer. Now, once that's done, you'll have to go to a setup. This will download. You want to click on it, and then just go through the setup and install it. And once you've done it, let me just cancel this because I have it installed already. There we go. Then you want to just open it up. So just like this, let me show you over here. You want to look for Soundpad. There we go. Click on that. And you will see this window or this tab open up. So from here, what you have to do is click on File and then go to Preferences. And in here, you want to click on Devices. So it's going to be over here in Audio. Click on Devices, which is the fourth tab. And make sure you select the device you would like to use. So for me, it's going to be my main microphone, which is the Yeti stereo microphone over here. Make sure it's connected, so make sure this one is selected, and make sure the status is good over here. So I recommend only having one selected, so not like this, but like this, so where you only have one selected. There we go. And then once you've done that, you want to click OK and Apply. From here, you then want to go to Discord, and inside Discord, click on the settings icon where it says User Settings. And then you want to go to a tab over here on the left, which is called Voice and Video under App Settings. Click on this. And from here, you can see the input device. Now, this is very important. You want to click on that, and you want to make sure the input device is the same as used over here inside Soundpad. So exactly the one you used over here inside the devices in Soundpad. So as you can see, it's microphone, Yeti stereo microphone, and this one is now the same. So microphone, Yeti stereo microphone. Once you've done this, you can then basically just close these tabs down, and if it says Save Changes, press Yes. And then you can start using your Soundpad inside Discord. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.